Today I'll show you how to make standard Barre chord sound super jazzy, and I'm gonna do the monk theme because I really love this one and it's kind of easy to follow. So in progression we got E flat major, and we convert this one into E flat major 6, and instead of A flat minor we got A flat minor 6, and the other chords are gonna be the 7s. Strumming pattern is gonna be 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2, and you kind of emphasize that second. Okay, let's try this melody. The scale that I've been using here is regular E flat major scale. But the thing with jazz is that they use chromatics, so instead of it goes or in the other position, same thing. Instead of this we do the chromatics.